I've dedicated my life to capturing the beauty that exists at the very edge of the world. Places where the sky meets the sea, the sort of landscapes that we've all been longing to get lost in. Brora is one such place, a place seemingly suspended in time. I will be traveling to Scotland for the first time ever to create a portfolio of one-off images that bring to life the landscape that helped shape this incredible cask. Together, the cask owner and I will go on an adventure, capturing the ultimate images of this unique place and all that Brora has to offer.